If you're a real estate agent looking to grow your business, if you want to get out of the roller coaster up and down of a closing, then a slow time, then closing, then slow time, I'm here to tell you the best way to do it that I found more than anything else is to pick a small town and have a plan to dominate it. My name's Jason Gruner. I'm a real estate agent here in Nashville, Tennessee, and I do a ton of online marketing with agents in small towns all over the country. I've got a very specific blueprint that I've put in place that has 7 steps to it, and we're going to go through those 7 steps today of what we do when we partner with an agent to set them up to become the #1 agent in their small town. The first thing we do before we start anything else, before we run an ad, do follow-up, send emails, the very first thing we do is validate their market. If someone calls me and says, hey, I'm an agent in New York City, I want to focus on Manhattan, this is not going to work. There's too many people. It's too expensive to run ads in those big markets. I'm in Nashville, Tennessee. The ads I run in Nashville become extremely expensive to get new leads into my business. I'm here, I do it anyway. But when I set up this blueprint in the small towns around Nashville, places like Lawrenceburg, I'm getting new homeowner seller leads into my business for under $5. When I do it in areas like Springfield, Tennessee, I get those folks into my business for under $4. In some of the areas like in Sumner County, up in a place like Gallatin, those leads can be $6, $7, $8, but typically they're always under $10. So the first thing we do is we validate that the market is going to be one that works. The markets that work the best are small towns, under 100,000 people, and they're typically the largest town in their county. So if it's a county with like 3 or 4 towns, it can get a little tricky. But if you can find a small town with less than 100,000 people, and it's the most well-known town in that county, that's the sweet spot for this system. It gives us the ability to market to the entire county at a cost-effective rate where we can keep our ads in front of the homeowners, the target leads that we want to work with, for a really reasonable cost. These costs are stuff typically we advise that on the lead generation, we spend about $10 a day. And if someone also wants to do the remarketing, which is another $10 a day to kind of set you up in one of these small towns to become the most well-known agent, typically in less than 90 days. So that's the first thing we do is we validate the market. The second step we do is we set up an item of value that gets a homeowner to raise their hand and reach out to you. This gets new people into your business typically every single day. What I found works best is a homes price report for that town for that month. You know, everybody advertises, we'll tell you how much your house is worth, or we'll give you a cash offer, we'll do a free home valuation. All those just put up defensive walls for people. But if you say, I've just completed a homes price report for Lawrenceburg, Tennessee for April 2026, if you'd like a copy, just reach out. We have a very specific image we run, the right headline that we've tested 1,000 versions of, and the copy in the ad itself that we put together and work with the agents that we partner with. We run those ads, we set them up to run on Instagram and Facebook, and it typically delivers homeowner leads for well under $10 a piece in these small towns. We've done this in a number of towns in Tennessee. I did a ton of this in North Carolina, and I now have agents from literally every state that are running some version of this program and seeing great success and great results with it. When you can wake up in the morning and there's 2 to 3 brand new homeowner leads in your inbox asking you them to reach out and send them information, it's a whole different world for you and your business. You create that certainty that you know where your next deal is going to come from because they're showing up in your inbox every single day. You eliminate that worry of like, what should I be doing? How am I going to source new business? I just sold, but what comes next? You don't have to worry about that because it's in your inbox every morning. The third thing we do is we create the market report that we send to these folks. They're raising their hands. They want something. So we've got a market report template that we use that provides all the information they requested and also, more importantly, positions you as the expert agent in that area. is this an extremely effective way to go ahead and establish yourself as an expert agent for that market. Once people get this report, they see it's branded to you, they see you're the agent, there's a little note from you in the front of it, kind of breaking down, a couple paragraphs of what happened in your local market that past month. They start to think that, man, this guy is on top of it. They know our market. They knew the 6 that sold in our neighborhood, and they told me about that big one over there. It's an extremely effective piece, if you do it the right way, to establish the credibility that you need to become one of the top agents in your market. The third thing we do is, at the end of the day, all we're trying to do with these homeowners is start a conversation. All conversion starts in conversation. So we need these people to respond and just start a conversation with us. So we have a 7-day email campaign that after they request the original market report, that we send them 5 to 7 emails over those first 7 days. They're short, they're conversational in nature, and they expect a response. We see a great response rate when we put this in there. And what we do is we're just trying to be normal. So they know that we're a real human being. This is not just like somebody running ads, and then an AI or a computer is going to automatically email them. You want it to look like it's sent from you. And when they respond, you just have a real conversation with them back and forth. You figure out, like, are you thinking about selling? Are you thinking about moving in town? Are you leaving town? Is this an investment property? There's these questions that we put in this 7-day email sequence are get responses. I have these running in my business every single day. So not only do I wake up every morning and there's new leads from the ads that we run, there's responses to the emails literally every single day in my inbox. I've got people to talk to every single day that are new into my business, and we're having real conversations with homeowners. And that's really the unlock of this whole system. Because real estate agents, it's tricky because everybody tells you to work your sphere, talk to your network, and really try to drum up business. I just found it was easier to put a blueprint in place where the business just comes to me. It's a game changer. It absolutely changed my life. It took that worry about where's this next deal going to come from. I hope it's coming in. So I already know. I've got conversations with 15 people going on right now who are all going to buy or sell a piece of real estate in my town. Most likely, a lot of those people that I'm engaged with in the next 30 to 60 days. So it's just that instant difference of once you have this system set up and you've got all the pieces in place, it changes your business completely. All right, so that's number 3. Number 4 is we put together a remarketing campaign. Now, this can be a massive change for someone, for a real estate agent. Because what we do is someone raises their hand, they ask for the market report, and we typically get a couple dozen of those in the first month. So we've got 40, 50, 60 of these people in these small towns that have raised their hand. What we do and what Facebook and Instagram allows us to do is take that small group of 40, 50, or 60 people, and we can put ads of posts of the agent in that town where they see it over and over and over again. And we've got a very specific set of posts. Now, I've tested hundreds of these, and what I've put together is the top 10 that I typically use. So I've got 10 that I use in my business, and then the agents that we work with, we've got these 10 templates, both photos and videos, of specific posts that position you as an expert, keep your face in front of the prospects, and are easy and extremely cost-effective to run. I mean, these get views and clicks for pennies. Because we're going after such a targeted group, homeowners in your area who have already raised their hand to get a copy of the price report, then they just keep seeing you over and over and over and over again. It creates a local celebrity effect where they start to notice you. And when you run into these people in real life, when they call you to do a listing appointment, you run into the grocery store, the post office, they're like, oh, we see you everywhere. I feel like, yeah, I saw you sold that house over on Elm Street, and then you were talking about a buyer you're like, it's a game changer. You become the only real estate agent that they associate with that market. You're the only agent in that small town. Now, by the statistics and the numbers, when you first start out, you're probably not going to be the top agent. But if they see you on Facebook and Instagram and they're getting emails from you, and then they start to see signs in the yard, you become that top agent in their mind almost overnight. It's a complete game changer. This is a real unlock for any agent that wants to grow in a small town. If you put this remarketing campaign in place, it's extremely cost effective. It doesn't cost you a whole lot of money, and it keeps you in front of those targeted prospects over and over and over again. The next thing we do, so those are the first, we identify the market, we put together that first ad, we have the item of value that we send them, that market report, and we do that remarketing. We've got that 7-step email process. The next thing we do is we have a weekly email that goes out. There's one specific email that I send out every Tuesday to every lead in my database in my market. It's short, it's concise, it positions me as an expert who knows what they're talking about in the local market, and it gives them a chance to respond. This is our weekly email that I send every single week, and the agents that partner with us, we set them up to send this out. We actually set it up so it goes out automatically for them. There's a little bit of input from the agent, but it's extremely effective of getting extra folks out there. And this email actually gets forwarded around a lot. So we get people outside of the original network, outside of the people who have already raised their hand, where they send it to their friend or their brother or their cousin or whoever it might be, and then that person reaches out to you. So this can really be a huge multiplier for your business. In addition to that, we send 2 emails a month to every single new lead that comes in. So they go through that first 7-day sequence. They're getting an email every Tuesday. They're seeing the remarketing ads of you everywhere. And then we send 2 emails a month. The first one is the updated market report for the next month. So at the beginning of May, we'll send these out for all our clients at the beginning of May with the updated market report for that small town. Then a week or 2 later, we'll send a very short conversational email about a buyer that we're working with. And we ask those folks, do you know of anybody thinking of selling? I have a buyer I'm working with, or someone in my office is working with, and that gets a ton of response because these folks feel like they're going to help you out. And more often than not, they're like, well, we're actually thinking about selling 6 months from now, but I mean, if someone was interested and would let us stay after the closing, it just starts those conversations. It's an extremely effective way to stay in front of these folks, start more conversations, and establish you as that expert. Because when they do decide to sell, and they have to choose the agent they're going to work with, what we want is to constantly be on their top of the mind and say like, hey, that Jason guy always seems like he's working with buyers. I see him selling houses all the time. I see a bunch of his ads. It looks like he knows what he's talking about. Let's just call him first before we call anybody else. And we all know as agents, the first agent they call gets the listing 85% of the time. So let's stack the deck in your favor in your small town where you're the one getting that call. Now, if you want to work with my team, well, there's a couple different options. The first one is the Small Town Listing Riches Blueprint. There should be a link right below this video. It'll take you over to it. We've got a step-by-step process that'll take you through exactly how to set all this stuff up. Now, it's $27 to get started. That's going to include that initial ad that is run and will get those new leads into your business. So, and my team will actually build that first ad for you. So if you just go to the link, smalltownlistingriches.com, it should be right below this video. It's $27 to get the template for that ad. We'll also create that first ad for you. You just send us what town it is, a picture of the downtown, a tiny little bit of information about you. We create that ad. So you'll have the image, the headline, and the copy that we've tested in hundreds of markets and we know works best. You can literally just plug and play it, and there's a whole module that will literally show you how to set this up inside of the Facebook platform so it goes out on Facebook and Instagram. Literally, it's step by step. I personally walk you through the whole thing in those videos. Plus, you get the video ad, the template for that ad if you want to do it yourself, or just email us inside that module and our team will build that first ad for you. We usually get that turned around in a day so you can get this thing set up and you can have new leads into your business literally overnight. The second way you could work with us, if you love the concept of this, but you're just like, hey, I don't have the time or how to figure all this stuff out. If you want to partner with us, we have a partnership program. It's much more expensive. There's an upfront cost where we take a 4-week period to get everything set up for you. We build all the ads, all the remarketing, all the emails that go out, all the weekly emails, the bi-monthly emails, that 7-step sequence. We set up everything for you, and we actually run your ads for you. Now, again, it's a little bit more expensive. If you want details on what that looks like, it's a 4-week period to set it up. And then if you want to keep doing it after that, we do a weekly program that continues on. So once we have it set up, the agents that come in underneath this program, we typically have them get a listing inside that first 4-week period or get really close to someone ready to list their house. So the whole program is typically paid for before that 4-week period is done. And most of the agents say like, hey, this is awesome. Keep running it for us. And we just go to a weekly basis after that. So you know that every single week you've got the best marketing working, and all you have to do is talk to the buyers and sellers. So both of those options are below. There's a link to the blueprint. If you just want to go through the course, it's $27 to get started. If you want someone to do it for you, there's also another link on our partner program where we can partner up and my team can run everything for you and make it easy as can be. Either way, if you work in a small town or if you've ever thought about growing your business, finding that one target market, that small town, diving in and having a blueprint to follow can make all the difference in changing your business.